For many years, scientists believed in the static neuron doctrine. This theory stated that adult brains could not grow new neurons. Once brain development was complete, it was thought that no new neurons would form. This view suggested that brain cells were fixed. If neurons died, they were gone forever. This idea was widely accepted in the scientific community. The implications of this belief were significant. If the brain was static, it meant limited recovery from injuries. Conditions like stroke or brain damage seemed irreversible. Neurological diseases were seen as a one-way path to decline. Treatments focused on managing symptoms rather than recovery. The possibility of reversing brain damage was not considered. However, this belief began to change in the late 20th century. Researchers found evidence that challenged the static view of the brain. They started questioning if adult brains were truly fixed. Could it be that adult brains were more dynamic than previously thought? These questions opened the door to new discoveries. This shift in thinking laid the foundation for new research. Scientists were eager to explore the brain's potential for growth. The concept of neuroplasticity began to gain attention. It suggested that the brain might be capable of change. This marked the beginning of a new era in neuroscience. Neuroplasticity refers to the brain's ability to change and adapt. It is the capacity of the brain to reorganize itself. This process involves forming new neural connections. Neuroplasticity occurs throughout life, not just during childhood. It allows the brain to adjust to new experiences or injuries. This adaptability is crucial for learning and memory. When we learn something new, our brains change. New pathways form to store information. This is why practice improves skills. The brain strengthens connections through repetition. Neuroplasticity is at the heart of this process. Research has shown that the brain can compensate for damage. In some cases, other parts of the brain take over functions. This is possible due to neuroplasticity. For example, stroke patients can regain abilities through rehabilitation. The brain's ability to reorganize supports recovery. Neuroplasticity also plays a role in emotional and psychological health. It allows individuals to adapt to stress or trauma. By forming new connections, the brain can heal from emotional wounds. This capacity for change is a hopeful aspect of brain health. It suggests that the brain is resilient and capable of growth. The idea that adult brains can grow new neurons was revolutionary. This discovery was first made in the late 20th century. Researchers found evidence of neurogenesis in adult animals. This was a surprising finding that challenged old beliefs. It suggested that the adult brain was not as fixed as once thought. The breakthrough came in studies of the hippocampus. This brain region is involved in memory and learning. Scientists observed new neurons forming in the hippocampus of adult rodents. This finding opened up new possibilities for understanding the brain. It indicated that the brain could regenerate and renew itself. Subsequent research confirmed these findings in humans. Studies showed that neurogenesis occurs throughout adulthood. This discovery was met with excitement in the scientific community. It suggested that the brain had more potential for recovery. It also raised questions about the factors influencing neurogenesis. Understanding neurogenesis has important implications. It suggests that the brain is more adaptable than previously thought. This has led to new approaches in treating brain disorders. Researchers are exploring ways to enhance neurogenesis. This could lead to better outcomes for brain health and recovery. The hippocampus is a key player in adult neurogenesis. It is located in the temporal lobe of the brain. This region is crucial for forming new memories. It is also involved in spatial navigation and learning. The hippocampus is one of the few areas where neurogenesis occurs in adults. The process of neurogenesis in the hippocampus is complex. It involves the birth of new neurons from stem cells. These neurons mature and integrate into existing circuits. They contribute to the brain's ability to adapt and learn. This process is ongoing throughout adulthood. Research has shown that neurogenesis in the hippocampus is activity-dependent. This means that certain activities can stimulate this process. Factors like exercise, learning, and stress can influence neurogenesis. Positive activities promote the growth of new neurons. The hippocampus is sensitive to environmental and lifestyle factors. This makes it a target for interventions to boost brain health. Enhancing neurogenesis in the hippocampus could improve memory and cognitive function. This holds promise for treating disorders like depression and Alzheimer's disease. Section 5, exercise, a boost for brain health. Exercise is one of the most effective ways to boost brain health. Physical activity has been linked to increased neurogenesis. It stimulates the production of growth factors in the brain. These factors support the survival and growth of new neurons. Exercise also improves blood flow to the brain. Aerobic exercise, such as running or cycling, is particularly beneficial. It has been shown to increase the size of the hippocampus. This is associated with better memory and cognitive function. Regular physical activity can also reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Exercise has mental health benefits as well. It can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Physical activity releases endorphins, which improve mood. Exercise also promotes relaxation and reduces stress. These factors contribute to overall brain health. Incorporating exercise into daily life is important for brain health. Neurogenesis and improve brain function over time. Section 6, diet and mental stimulation, feeding the brain. Diet plays a crucial role in brain health. Certain nutrients can support neurogenesis and cognitive function. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish are beneficial. They promote the growth of new neurons. Antioxidants found in fruits and vegetables protect the brain from damage. A healthy diet can reduce the risk of brain disorders. It supports overall brain function and mental clarity. Eating a balanced diet with a variety of nutrients is important. Foods like nuts, seeds, and whole grains are brain-boosting options. Hydration is also key for optimal brain performance. Mental stimulation is another important factor for brain health. Engaging in challenging activities can enhance neurogenesis. Learning new skills or hobbies stimulates the brain. Activities like puzzles, reading, or playing musical instruments are beneficial. They promote the formation of new neural connections. Combining diet and mental stimulation can maximize brain health. These factors work together to support cognitive function. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle with these elements can enhance brain resilience. It is a proactive approach to preserving brain health throughout life. Section 7. Mental health benefits and implications for aging. The discovery of neurogenesis in adults has significant implications. It offers new hope for mental health treatment. Enhancing neurogenesis can improve mood and reduce depression. This is because new neurons can affect brain chemistry. Increased neurogenesis is linked to better emotional regulation. Neurogenesis also has implications for aging-related diseases. Conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's involve neuron loss. Promoting neurogenesis could slow disease progression. It may improve memory and cognitive function in older adults. This is a promising area of research for aging populations. Mental health and aging are closely linked. Neurogenesis can support mental well-being in later life. It promotes resilience against stress and adversity. By enhancing neurogenesis, individuals can maintain cognitive health. This is crucial for quality of life as we age. Research continues to explore these benefits. The goal is to develop interventions that enhance neurogenesis. This could revolutionize the treatment of mental health disorders. It also opens up new possibilities for aging-related disease prevention. Section 8. Embracing brain-healthy habits. Adopting brain-healthy habits is essential for well-being. Small lifestyle changes can have a big impact. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and mental stimulation are key. These habits support neurogenesis and overall brain health. They are proactive measures to preserve cognitive function. Making these habits a part of daily life is important. Consistency is the key to seeing benefits. Finding activities you enjoy can make this easier, whether it's a sport, hobby, or healthy cooking, make it enjoyable. This ensures that brain-healthy habits become sustainable. Social connections also play a role in brain health. Engaging with others stimulates the brain. It provides mental and emotional support. Social activities can enhance cognitive function. They are an important aspect of a brain-healthy lifestyle. Creating a supportive environment is also beneficial. Surround yourself with positive influences. This includes people who encourage healthy habits. A supportive community can make a big difference. It helps maintain motivation and commitment to brain health. Section 9. Conclusion: a hopeful future for brain health. The discovery of adult neurogenesis is a game changer. It revolutionizes our understanding of the brain. The belief that the brain is static has been overturned. We now know the brain is dynamic and capable of growth. This has important implications for health and aging. By embracing brain-healthy habits, we can enhance neurogenesis. This supports mental well-being and cognitive function. It offers hope for treatment and prevention of brain disorders. A proactive approach to brain health is within reach for everyone. The future of brain health is promising. Research continues to uncover new insights. The potential for interventions that enhance neurogenesis is exciting. Understanding the brain's capacity for change is empowering. It shows that we have the ability to influence our brain health. In conclusion, the brain's ability to form new neurons is a hopeful discovery. It opens up new possibilities for health and healing. By adopting brain-healthy habits, we can support this process. Together, we can pave the way for a healthier future.